My name's Alan Hart and today I'm going to do a video on how to wire a Combi Pack 4 from EPH Controls. What I'd say is always make sure that you use a qualified electrician or somebody who is competent with electrics. You need to be very careful when you're doing any wiring. So let's have a look at the Combi Pack 4 now and I'll show you how to wire it. Have a look in the box of the Combi Pack 4. Take the thermostat out. You've also got a back plate in there. And then you've got the part that goes onto the wall. This is the receiver part. And this is the part that you would hardwire to the central heating boiler. So we'll wire this part now. The part that I just said was the back plate is actually for the stand. So that just clicks in to the thermostat, so that you can just sit that on side on a worktop. There's another option where you do get a back plate as well, and the back plate, you can put the back plate onto the wall if the customer wants the control to be fitted on the wall. So yeah, so let's have a look at this now and I'll show you how to wire it. I've got the control on a stand here, and if we have a look inside the control, so this is the receiver, so this is the bit that we would hardwire, and when we look in here, we've got a neutral and we've got a live that needs to be wired in there. So that's a permanent live and your neutral, and then you can wire open firm into this connection at the bottom, or you can wire from the link in the boiler. So in the boiler you normally have a link, and you take your link out and then you wire from here. So you'd wire from your common number 2 to the number 3, which is on. Done a little print out here, but always use the instructions in the box. So the box comes with the instructions, and if we have a look on here, it's very easy to see common and then on. So your link from your boiler, one side of your link would be the common, and then it'd come out, it'd come to this thermostat, and then the other side would go back then to the other side of the link in the boiler. I'll show you that now. So I've just removed the 2 screws out of here, and then this comes off, and then that gives you access then to these terminals here. So as I say, this one's your neutral and this one's your live. Number 1 normally we wouldn't use, and we would normally use the 2 and the 3. So I'll just connect some wires into this now, into these 2. So on this receiver here, we've got some little breakouts that you can take out here, so you can run your wires whichever way that you want to do it. And if we look at these 2 wires here now, these would be the link from the boiler. So if it's a combi boiler and you would just have a loop, a little link that connects together inside the boiler, you would remove that and wire these to that link. We can also run the wires down the back of this as well. So if the wires were coming out of the wall, you could run the wires directly into the back of it, and then you wouldn't need to break any of these bits out here. If you was going to wire this on open firm, instead of using these 2 connections here, you would wire onto the open firm connection here. You would need to be very careful and make sure that you're wiring the open firm connections from the boiler. That normally is not the link, so you need to read the boiler's manufacturer's instructions and have a look which the open firm connections are. These will always be low voltage, so you need to make sure that you only put low voltage to this connection. And once you've wired the receiver, just close that. It's got a little screw at the bottom, just fasten that screw. This is a demonstration rig and it's got a plug on it, so I'm just going to plug this in now and then I'll just show you the control working on the front here. So now we can check, make sure it's working. So we've just clicked on the manual on there, and now we're just turning the temperature up. I'm going to click on OK, and then just seeing that green light has just clicked on. So that now would make the boiler work. So that's how we would wire the EPH Combi Pack 4 control. If you've got any questions, please ask them in the comments below. Yeah, thanks for watching.